This is a demonstration showing how Thales Secure's auto installation for devices works. First, we securely and automatically connect to a home gateway by just scanning the QR code on the gateway. Then we connect any device, in this case an IP camera, by scanning its QR code. The required credentials, including certificates for connecting to the home gateway, are pushed into the IP camera when we tap to join. We can now check all the properties of the IP camera, including the Wi-Fi connection details. We can now view the IP camera's video stream securely over HTTPS.